Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today we will solve exercise 1.3 from real number system, question number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 in a very easy and simple way. If you have not already subscribed Math Solver, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Now we will start today's lecture. So question number 10 is, given that the area of rectangle is square root of 125 centimeter square, the length of rectangle is 2 plus square root 5 centimeter. We have to find width and perimeter expressed in a plus b square root of 5, where a and b belongs to z. A and b are integers, both can be positive or negative. So we will solve this question. First of all, we will draw a triangle. So in this triangle, length is given 2 plus square root of 5 and w we have to find, and area of the triangle is equal to square root of 125 centimeter square, and this is centimeter. We will find w and we will find perimeter. Perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 2 into w plus l. W is width and l is length. We will add w and l and multiply by 2 to find the value of p. Now, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So we have to find w. So we can write this as w is equal to area by L. Now what is the value of area? That is square root of 125 centimeter square, and the value of length is 2 plus square root of 5 centimeter. Now this will become square root of 125. We can make the factor of this 5, 25, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, which is equal to 5 square multiply 5. So square root of 125 is equal to square root of 5 square multiply 5, which is equal to 5 square root of 5. This square will be cancelled by this square root. We have 5 square root of 5. So we will write 5 square root of 5 by 2 plus square root of 5, and this centimeter will be cancelled by this centimeter, and we have 5 square root of 5 centimeter. Now we will rationalize this. We will multiply and divide this by conjugate of this, that is 2 minus square root of 5 by 2 minus square root of 5. So w is equal to, when we multiply 5 square root of 5 into 2, we have 10 square root of 5 minus 5 and square root of 5 square, and here we apply the formula of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we have 4 minus square root of 5 square. So this will equal to 10 square root of 5 minus, this square will be cancelled by this square root. We have 5 multiply 5 is 25 by 4 minus, this square will be cancelled by this square root, and we have 4 minus 5. So we have 10 square root of 5 minus 25 by minus 1. So value of w is equal to, this minus 1 will be multiplied by this, and we have 10 square root 5 plus 25. We have to write this in form of a plus b square root of 5. So w is equal to 25 minus 10 square root of 5. So this is the answer of this question, where we can see that 25 belongs to set of integers and minus 10 is also belong to set of integers. Now we will find perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to the 2 into L plus W. In rectangle, we will add all the sides. We know that this length and this length is equal, and this width and this width is equal. So we will add these 4 sides as L plus W plus W. That will become 2 into L plus W. So this is the perimeter. We will apply the values. P is equal to 2 into, what is the value of length? 2 plus square root of 5 plus, what is the value of W? 25 minus 10 square root of 5. So we have 2 plus 25 is 27 and 1 minus 10 is minus 9 square root of 5. Now we will multiply these two. We have 54 minus 18 square root of 5. This is the value of perimeter. Now we can see that we have find out W, which is equal to 25 minus 10 square root of 5, and perimeter, which is equal to 54 minus 18 square root of 5, and both the values are expressed in a plus b square root of 5. 25 minus 10, 54 minus 18, all are belongs to set of integers where we have positive and negative numbers. Now we will do question number 11. In question number 11, we have a right angle triangle. A triangle in which this angle is 90 degree. We say that triangle is right angle triangle. So base of this triangle is 3 minus square root 2, which is given, and hypotenuse of this triangle is 3 plus square root of 2. We have to find perpendicular of this triangle. We will apply here formula of by Pythagoras theorem. We have hypotenuse square is always equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So here we can suppose that perpendicular is equal to x. So what is the value of hypotenuse? That is 3 plus square root of 2 square, and base is 3 minus square root of 2 whole square, and perpendicular we have supposed x. So x square. We have to find out the value of x. Here 3 minus square root of 2 whole square is added. So we will subtract this. So we can write as x square is equal to 3 plus square root of 2 minus 3 minus square root of 2. So we will open this square by applying the formula of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3 plus square root of 2, which is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 into square root of 2 plus square root of 2 square. Now minus, here we apply a minus b whole square formula, which is equal to a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3 square minus 2 into 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 square, which is equal to 9 plus 6 square root of 2 plus this 2 will be cancelled by this square. We have 2. Now minus 9 minus minus is plus 6 square root 2. This square will be cancelled this, and this minus will multiply by this plus. We have minus plus is minus 2. So plus 9 and minus 9 will be cancelled, and plus 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled. We have 6 square root 2 plus 6 square root 2, which is equal to 12 square root of 2. This is the value of x square. Now we will solve this further. Now we have to find the value of x. We can write 12 as 4 multiply 3 multiply square root of 2. We have to find the value of x. For this purpose, we will take square root on both sides. 4 multiply 3 multiply square root of 2. Now this square will be cancelled by this square root. We have x is equal to square root of 4 is equal to 2 square root, 2 square root, which is equal to 2. So we have 2 square root 3 square root 2. This is the answer of this question. So value of x perpendicular is equal to 2 square root of 3 square root of 2. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will do, now in question number 12, we have length of sides of a square is x centimeter and length of diagonal is 12 centimeter. We have to find the exact value of x and area of square. First of all, we will draw a square of length x. All sides are equal to x centimeter. This is given. And the length of the diagonal is, this is the diagonal, and length of this is 12 centimeter. we have to find the exact value of x and the area of the square. How can we do this? If we consider this square, we can see that this is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. We can draw this here, where the perpendicular is x centimeter, base is x centimeter, and hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem by theorem. We have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is the base? Base is x centimeter and perpendicular is also x centimeter and hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. We will put all the values in this equation. So 12 square is equal to x square plus x square. 12 square is 144 and x square plus x square is 2x square. Now we will divide 144 by 2 to find the value of x square. We have x square is equal to 72. Now taking the square root on both sides, we have square root of x square and square root of 72. Now we will find the factors of 72, which implies that x is equal to 6 square root 2. So this is the value of x. So exact value of x is 6 square root of 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the square. So area of square is equal to length multiply by length. So what is the value of length? That is 6 square root 2 multiply by 6 square root 2, which implies that 36 into square root of 2 square, which is equal to, this 2 is cancelled by this square root and 36 multiplied by 2 is 72 centimeter square. So this is the value of area. We will write this 72 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question easily. Now we will do question number 13 in a very easy way. Now in this question number 13 we have an equilateral triangle. Each side is equal to square root of 5 centimeter. We have to find the height of triangle and area of triangle. First of all, we will derive equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is that triangle in which all sides are of equal length. Here this side is equal to square root of 5, this side is equal to square root of 5, and this whole length is equal to square root of 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of triangle. For this purpose we will draw a perpendicular here to find the length of this. Now we have a right angle triangle here. This is the right angle triangle. Now this whole side is equal to square root of 5. Now this half is equal to square root of 5 by 2 and this half is equal to square root of 5 by 2. Now we have drawn a triangle. This length is equal to square root of 5 by 2. This length is equal to square root of 5, and we have to find what is the height of this. And this is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular is the height. So we have to find perpendicular. We can suppose this as x. So we can write hypotenuse, which is equal to square root of 5 whole square, and base is equal to square root of 5 by 2 square, and perpendicular is x square. Now we will solve this as this square will be cancelled by this square root, we have 5, and this square will be cancelled by this square root, we have 5, and 2 square is 4 plus x square. Now 5 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to x square. By taking the LCM of this, we have x square is equal to 4 into 20 minus 5, 15 by 4. X square is equal to 15 by 4. We have to find the value of x. So by taking square root on both sides, we have x is equal to square root of 15, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. 15 by 2. What is the value of x? X is equal to square root of 5 by 2. Now height of triangle is square root of 15 by 2. Now we have to find the area. Area of triangle, equilateral triangle. For this purpose we will consider this triangle. So according to this triangle, this length is equal to square root of 5, base is equal to square root of 5, and height is equal to square root of 15 by 2. So area of triangle is equal to half of base into height. So we will apply all the values. Base is equal to square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 15 by 2. 5 multiply 15, which is equal to square root of 75, and square root of 75 by 2 multiply 2 is 4. By simplification of square root of 75, we have 5 15s are 75 and 5 3 ones are 3. So we can write square root of 75 as 5 square root of 3 by 4. So area of triangle is equal to 5 square root of 3 by 4. So we will write area of triangle, which is equal to 5 square root of 3 by 4. Centimeter square, this is centimeter. So this is the solution of this question. I hope you can understand this. Now we will do the last question of this exercise. Now in question number 14 we have length of ladder which is equal to 13 centimeter. So this length is equal to 13 and the length of vertical wall which is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find the distance of foot of ladder from the bottom of wall. We have to find this distance from the foot of ladder to the bottom of the wall. So this is the base of a right angle triangle. For this purpose, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. We will write by Pythagoras theorem. We have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. We will apply this here. So what is the hypotenuse square which is equal to 13? 13 square which is equal to base square. Base we will suppose as x. X square plus perpendicular is 12. So 12 square. 13 square is 169 which is equal to x square plus 144. So x square is equal to 169 minus 144. X square is equal to 25. So the value of x will be, by taking the square root of 25 is equal to 5. And this square will be cancelled by this square root. We have x is equal to 5. So what is the distance of foot of ladder from bottom of the wall, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So we will write 5 centimeter. I hope you understand all the questions of this exercise. If you have any confusion, please tell us in the comment section. Please subscribe Math Solver and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.